metals and non-metals, you have already learnt in your previous class. How many things are there in your environment? There are two type of, they have the things, environment, living things and non-living things. We have already learnt in your previous classes. Living things means they have such type of the living processes. These are life skills, reproduction, respiration, and they have so many skills as to have there. That is called as the living things. Non-living things, they cannot have any process of the skills. That is called non-living things. Okay, are you able to understand my point? In the previous class, there are separated the how many things are there in your environment. He says that living things and non-living things, there are two kinds of things are divided. But in this class, what is the things? Things is made up of such type of the material. Okay, is the material means is the just like as the some of the copper, iron, zinc, calcium carbonate, and non-metal such type of the some wood and nylon, polyester, terylene, decaron. This type of the introducing in this chapter, metals and non-metal. I have explained one paragraph, then after to have after the inner meaning and English the theme of the paragraph. In this previous class, we have learned studied about the some materials that are used in our daily life. This paragraph says that the paragraph says that in your daily life there are so many materials and things have used there in your home needs. Home needs means మీరు ఇండ్లలో వాడుకునేటువంటి వస్తువులు తెలుసా? ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి మీరు ఇండ్లలో వాడుకునే వస్తువులు? చైర్, టేబుల్, ఫర్నిచర్, తర్వాత బీరువా, మేజ్, డైనింగ్ టేబుల్. These are all they are used to the daily life in your home needs. Okay, you studied about natural fibers and the properties. Natural fiber means fibers are there are two types: artificial fibers and natural fibers. Artificial fibers means you have some manpower to use and to made by the is called as the artificial fiber. That is called decaron, polyester. That is called as the artificial fiber. Natural fiber means without manpower, there are produced. For example, silk, cotton, wool. These are all the natural fibers. So this is also first type of the materials. You have learnt acids and bases and salts. Another was the introducing acids and bases and salts. Acids means, for example, in your laboratory, have to available hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, the scientific formula is HCl. This HCl and basis is there the ammonium hydroxide. This is also available in our laboratory. The chemical formula is ammonium hydroxide. It is the basis for good example. Another one is the fiber,
సార్
aluminum.
ఆ,
These are all have sir.
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్ చెప్పండి సార్
Okay, okay. మధ్య మధ్య వెళ్ళిపోతా ఉంటే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారని.
ఆ,
These are all the metals was introduced in this chapter. Okay, you are familiar with the number of the materials like aluminum, copper, zinc, and they have the bronze and etc. Iron means inumu, copper ragi, zinc, bronze, tagaramu. These type of the metals has to introducing in this chapter. There is so many metals has introduced, and this is the some specifically as there the specific characteristics. This name is called as the properties has to the in this materials. Is the physical properties and chemical properties. There are two types of as they mentioned in this chapter. Physical properties means you have look appearance as a physical color, shape, and volume. This is called as the physical properties. Chemical properties means it is to action to it is reaction with the and they have to evolve the new substances and it became named is called as the chemical properties. Okay. Can you name some objects made up of metals? మీ ఇండ్లలో ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇన్ యువర్ హోమ్ నీడ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ యూజ్ టు డైలీ లైఫ్ దెర్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ యూస్ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ద materials. First, for example, chair is made up of iron. Okay. Our necklace or ornaments, it is made up of a pure gold. Okay. And god's sculptures, దేవుని విగ్రహాలు, ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్రాంజ్, ఇత్తడితో చేసినటువంటి వస్తువులు. సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద మెటీరియల్స్ మేడ్ అప్ ఆఫ్ సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద మెటల్స్. ఇవి ఖచ్చితమైనటువంటి కొన్ని లోహాలతో అవి తయారు చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. కెన్ యూ సమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మెటల్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫిగర్. ఇన్ దిస్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఇన్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ గివ్ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ త్రో. త్రో మీన్స్ సుత్తి, and necklace, and bucket, and saw, rampamu. And another was cultivation tools, అంటే వ్యవసాయ సంబంధమైనటువంటి పనిముట్లను కూడా మీకు ఇక్కడ you have already mentioned in your textbook and you have the neat diagram have the followed in this paragraph figure 1. You first answered in the gold. Gold is the valuable and most precious metal. It is very costly. So it is the used for the goldsmith. బంగారు నగలు తయారు చేసేటువంటి వ్యక్తిని గోల్డ్ స్మిత్ అంటారు. ఆయన ఏం చేస్తాడు? హీ వాజ్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఏ నెక్లెస్ ఆర్ ఎనీ రింగ్ ఆర్ ఎనీ సచ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆర్నమెంట్స్. కొన్ని వస్తువులను తయారు చేసి అతను ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాడు. సమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ మే ఆల్సో యాడెడ్ అల్యూమినియం, సిల్వర్, lead, iron, copper, this mercury, etc. ఇంతేకాకుండా ఏం చేస్తా అంటున్నాడు? వీటితో పాటు ఐరన్, కాపర్, సిల్వర్, జింక్, these type of the metals have introduced in this paragraph. They have their specifically as a physical and characteristics and chemical characteristics and properties have their in mentioned in this paragraph. Let us learn the properties of metal so that we have able to answer these questions at the end of this chapter. He says that in this paragraph, at the end of the chapter, we have to observe what is the copper and zinc and this type of the metals as the physical characters and chemical characters is the separately. Why? What is the causes and how identified? The answers are at the end of the chapter. Already we have to able to answer immediately. Now observe carefully are the materials are that we have to listed about this metal. So in this paragraph, the author, the textbook scientist was asked some questions. We have few days given. Do all these look alike? No. Gold, copper, silver. Just look and see there. There is the look and appearance is very different. Gold is the very brightness and yellow colored. Silver is the white and copper is the goldish red color. Okay, this is the there is no of the similarities of the physical appearance. Do all them shine? No. Some metals are very good and lustrous and very brightness. Some metals are not such type of the brightness. Do they hard or soft? Some metals are very hard and some metals are very soft. All metals are, some metals are hard. Hard means gattitanam. Soft means mettanam. Gold is the soft material. Pure 24 character gold is the soft. దాన్ని మనం కొరికినట్లయితే if we have catch them with the teeth, put on this mark on the gold. మనం దాన్ని మనము కొరికినట్లయితే మన పంటి గుర్తులు కూడా బంగారు మీద దానికి పడుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి గోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రీస్టియస్ అండ్ వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్ మెటల్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ మెటల్. మరి but bronze, copper, iron is the very hard metal. It cannot has a breakable very and can you group metals into categories by looking on their properties? So the scientist says that properties are there are so many, but there are divided into the two types: soft metals and hard metals. You put your notebook and description your table and separated them and rough notebook to identify which metal was the hard and which metal is the soft. We try to find group this discuss and compare them in details in this chapter. In this chapter, some metals have introducing and they have the separated why they are soft metal and another was they are the hard metals. What is the properties in this paragraph is given below. Physical properties. Before I am saying says that is the physical property means look appearance. In sense organs, eyes is the most important. I have attracted and see them. What is the look of the appearance of the color? Color means రంగు ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. Shape means square, rectangle or any such type of the shape ఒక రకమైనటువంటి ఆకారం కలిగి ఉన్నది అని చెప్పడానికి shape. And another volume means to occupy such type of the space and they have the attachment of the molecules. How they have to the determined. This is called as the volume. This type of the look appearance that name is called as the physical properties. Have you understand my point? Physical properties means have look at the look after there of the substances or thing to seen and identified what we have the observe these the substances are material metal color or shape or volume. This is called as the physical properties. Before we start this session, you will need to collect pieces of iron. So in this paragraph says that you take some collected of the some pieces of iron nails, copper, zinc, sulfur, powder, aluminum, carbon, magnesium, iodine for carrying out the activities. Activities means it is the collectivity activity grasping power. You take some of the iron nails, iron mills ఇనుప మేకులను కొన్ని తీసుకోమంటున్నాడు. It the same way copper pieces and zinc piece and magnesium, calcium. These are all the you take and collectivity and activity there in this paragraph. And another was appearances. Appearances means ఏ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. How to look at there is the physical. In previous classes, you learned that the material which have bright surfaces and reflect light are called lustrous metals and materials that do not shine that is called non-lustrous. Lustrous means lustrous. Lustrous means you can see and identify which metal has to surface of the substances very brightness. That name is called as the lustrous. This type of the characters as shown that this the metal name is called as the lustrous metal. This type of the properties and surface of the shining is not there. That metal's name is called as the non-lustrous metals. Okay, I understand my point. There are the metals are divided into two because depend upon the surface of the layer shining. One is the lustrous metal and another one is the non-lustrous metal. Lustrous metal is the thing or object. The surface is the shining or brightness, look appearance. That metal name is called as the lustrous metal. Another one, this type of the properties. This type of the properties not shining and not brightness, look appearance. That name is called such type of the metal name is called non-lustrous metals. Okay, or understand my point? Next, activity 1. In metals and non-metals chapter, there are two types of the progressiveness of your grasping power. One is the physical and chemical. Physical means you cannot do any work, see and observe what you have identified. What is the big and short and long, thin, shyness and it is the shape of the volume. This is called as the physical method. Another one is the chemical method. Chemical method means to to action with the another object or thing. They have to expose to the another object, a new object, that is the chemical properties. Of the activities, observing the appearance and color and some material. Appearances. Some pieces already in this paragraph, above paragraph, you take some iron nails, copper, zinc, magnesium, calcium, these type of the pieces you collect them, and then you have the observed, and you put on a table. What the table? Observe the appearance your samples. Look on there is color. First of all, the name of the table have the different. There are divided into three columns. At one column, sample. Is the sample name is the to identify the iron, copper, zinc, sulfur. First of all, you identify. This is just paragraph. This is only the two. There is the three columns are divided into the one table, and first column that name is called as the sample. Sample name is put on this mark. First iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, silicon, iodine. It is the second column is the mentioned appearance shining or not shining. Shining or not shining. Third column is the mentioned color. Okay. Iron. Iron is the surface shining. And the color was silver gray. Silver gray means as appearance as the elephant color, it is the very brightness of the silver to combine with the name is the silver gray. But, if we have to raise one doubt, sir, iron was not always is the brightness, such as the iron put on the outside. Some a few days or 5 days, a few days after some time they have to that trust. It is how can it possible, sir? Silver. Iron is mostly is the shining is the look appearance. That color was silver gray. Okay. After sometimes a few days you lift on your outside in the environment. In that environment, humidity and air to absorb the iron surface of there became have the dull. So iron is exactly and actually silver gray and very shining color. And zinc. Zinc is shining and bluish silver. Copper is shining. Copper is shining and reddish brown. This is the two colors is the combination. Two colors is combined and they have evolved to the new color of the name. And aluminum is shining and that the color name is white. Carbon is dull black. Carbon is anytime it is has the color has black color. Magnesium white shiny and solid. I already told that there is the metals have the first type of the color and shining is the look appearance of the volume. Volume is the main important. Okay, is the in our environment the things have available in three states: solids and liquids and gaseous states. Almost all metals are available in our environment solid state. Solid means ghana sthiti. In the solid state, molecules are attachment very nearly and very closely, and it has become to the such type of the shape. That name is called as the solid state. But another example, mercury is the metal, but this is available in our environment liquid state. Okay, there is the exemption. All metals are liquids, but mercury is the available in our environment as the liquid state. Okay, and carbon is dull black color, magnesium white shiny solid and white. Iodine is a crystallized purple black. Iodine crystals. This is called as the very soft and crystallized, and it has was purple black. Okay, this is the table one. The table was divided into three columns. On first column name of the sample and another was the shining and not shining. Third column was color. Is metal was which type of the metal shining or not shining, and another was the metal identifying to look appearance was the color. Next, your observation in this table shows the some material shining and some are dull. Okay, so you take some examples to identify what is the color and what is the look appearance of the shining or not shining. This I have mentioned already in this paragraph. Generally, metals are lustrous. Okay, I am told that metals are almost all lustrous. Lustrous means మెరిసే స్వభావాన్ని కలిగి ఉండుట. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ కాపర్, గోల్డ్, జింక్, మెగ్నీషియం, అల్యూమినియం, బ్రాంజ్, these stuff all metals are you have look appearance very shining, that is called as the lustrous. Do all lustrous metals are metals? Another one has the question is as the rise out as the scientist. Do all lustrous metals are metal? అంటే మెరిసే స్వభావము కలిగినటువంటివి అన్ని కూడా మనకు మెటల్స్ ఏనా? నో. ఫస్ట్ mirror is the luster, the look appearance is a very shiny and brightness, but it is not as a metal. For it is the, we all know the mirror reflects light. Reflects means adi they have to identify to the imagining the picture, but they cannot as the metal. So it is the exemptions. All metals are lustrous, but shining lustrous, but lustrous properties has mentioned in this mirror, but there is no as the metal. Can a mirror be metal? No. So you need look at several properties to decide in the given material metal or not. So the scientist was to the mentioned in this paragraph which metal was the which properties has shown, that is called metal, which properties has not shown, the object or thing is the non-metal. So first property, there are so many properties have there mentioned in this chapter: sonority, lustrous, malleability, ductility, and another one was this type of, another one was ductility, electroconductivity. This type of the properties which metal has shown, that is called as the metals. This another one is the non-metals to identify. First one is the property sonority. Sonar means sound navigation. Sound means hearing some noise. It is called as the sonority. While Aryan was carrying a geometry box, he split and fell down. Aryan is a student of the studying in 8th class. He was carrying a geometry box. While he slipped and put on the floor. Immediately he noticed that the box made a ringing sound when it is a hard floor. Okay. Adi the geometry box, the fall down on the floor in the hard floor, they have immediately the noise was exposed. He noticed, they have observed what we have the sound is, they have noise is exploding. He noticed on the floor. It was similar to the sound that was the ringing bell. What type of the bell? What type of the noise? It is the similarity of the ringing of the bell. ఏ విధంగా అంటే బెల్ కొట్టినప్పుడు శబ్దం ఏ విధంగా వస్తుందో, ఇన్ ది సేమ్ వే ద geometry box was fall down on the floor. The noise is the same. At the bell was ringing, the exposed the noise. In the same way, have the observed. Have you observed the material used to make school bell or bells in temple? Okay, some of the bells have to introduce in this paragraph: school bell, and another one was the temple bell, and another was the railway station bell. 3 bells are introducing there in the paragraph. Why are wooden bells are not used in the school? Wooden bells are not wood. There is the bells made up of the wood, they cannot noise produce. In this same way, in the school bells are not made up of the any wood. Okay. Do all materials produce sound when they drop on the hard surfaces? Let us sound. In this paragraph, to says that in the scientist was says that any metal to sudden dropped on the floor. ఒకసారిగా మనము కొన్ని లోహాలను కానీ లేదా కొన్ని వస్తువులు కానీ మనం కింద పడవేసినట్లయితే, if you drop down on the floor immediately, such type of the noise was exposed some range of their properties. ఏదో కొద్ది మొత్తంలో శబ్దాన్ని మనకు
వినబడుతుందా సార్? ఇంకా 2 minutes ఉంది. పిల్లలకి ఏదైనా ఉంటే హోంవర్క్ ఇవ్వండి సార్. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడతామని చెప్పండి. రెస్పాన్స్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ పెడతాను, దానికి ఆన్సర్ చేసి పెట్టాలని చెప్పండి సార్.
సరే సార్, సరే చెప్తాను, నేను పిల్లలు చెప్తాను.
చెప్పండి. 2 minutes.
ఓకే. Okay students, today three or four paragraphs are discussed about in this chapter. The chapter that name is called as the metals and non-metals. I have given such type of your any homework or assignment or composition, whatever may be, I do just some work. And first is the what is the metal? What is the non-metal? What is the how to identify the metals and non-metals to the depend upon the characteristics. Okay. To all of you open your notes and on first side corner put the date and another corner this is the at top of the corner metals and non-metals mentioned your notebook. First side is the metal, first side date mentioned and another side was what is the today we have to the given this paragraph this questions and all students have activity 1 table given the table in your textbook. This is the fill up them and then next you have to the put your notice your notebook after the class the what is the you have observed. It is the shining and it is the look appearance of the color in your write down your notebook and you have mentioned in this or the WhatsApp group in the office message. Okay. Next another one homework. Properties to identify the what is the properties and sonority, lustrous and malleability and ductility. These type of the properties to list down physical properties there are in your write down your notebook. This is our homework. Okay. Next another one activity 2 listening the sound produced by some metals. Some materials are produced nice. I have introduced in this paragraph 3 nice to produce them school bell and railway station bell. Another one was the temple bell. So all of you